Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on See All 35 apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.